Hello everyone, Neo here from TopFX, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the copy trading section. Quite simply, as soon as you logged into your account, move your mouse over to the bottom left. There is a tab that says copy. Simply click on it. From there, you're going to get a list of all the strategy providers as well as the list of your accounts. Now, this is important, pay attention. Why? Because prior to clicking to start copying on each provider, it is best if you first click on it to get more information regarding the strategy provider and especially the parameters set by the strategy provider in order to follow his trades. For example, this particular strategy provider has parameters such as base currency of the US dollar. He uses a leverage of 1 to 500 and a minimum investment of 2,000. Now your account has to match these parameters, and the same can be said with any other strategy provider. The first thing you need to do is pay attention to the parameters. Again, this strategy provider, again, base currency, the GBP, 1 to 500 and a minimum investment of 1 to 1,500. Now, if any of your accounts that does not meet those requirements, quite simply log into your personal workspace on your TopFX trading account and create a trading account that matches those parameters. And this is it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.